Hello everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz, and this is like about a week ago, a week after we painted the room. It's actually, yeah, about a week after we painted the room. And we have some progress finally. I haven't had a chance to get back in there until today. We put everything initially in there and I've been reorganizing it and getting it done, and we're finally getting somewhere. So let's go take a tour. All right, for the tour. So right here in front, we have the buckets that I've already emptied, and then I have a container. These will be repurposed and reused. We have to go through this room over here and put some stuff away because it's a complete mess. But just a little bit of garbage that I've been throwing out. And then on the side here, we have just a couple boxes of stuff that I still have to go through too. My yoga mat and stuff. My essential oil in the back there, because I'm super excited to bring back my essential oil line products, as well as I am a certified aromatherapist, so I cannot wait to get those developed. Sorry, my camera's not focusing there. So those will be coming back out again, which I'm super excited. I have been an aromatherapist for over 10 years, but when I was homeless, I had to take a break. So I've been out of it for 6 years, and I'm happy to come back with it and bring out my essential lines, part of my aromatherapy side, and then continue making some products with that aromatherapy. So I'll be bringing out a full line. I'm hoping to have either a cosmetic line. I know I'll have soaps and bath bombs and a few other things, essential oils with lip butters, which will be really unique because a lot of people aren't doing that, and some other really cool products. So I can't wait to do that. And then just a bucket of some of my essential oils. I can't get these on my shelf, but as you see, I have all of my oils and stuff on the shelf there, and then I have a couple drawers that have some stuff there, and then I have more product on the top, an empty base, and then some buckets where all my tools are going to be, and I have one more shelf that's going to go up on top that I haven't put up there. And then my cabinet here is ready to go. As you can see, I've been putting some stuff in it. I'll open it up so you can kind of see what's in there. So kind of getting my organization there of my extra products, and then the two drawers are filled with some stuff down there too. And then I have this bucket here that needs to go up on that shelf, and I don't have any more room, so we're trying to figure out what to do with that bucket right now, because this is stuff that I don't use all the time, but I may put it in the shelf in this back closet here, so we're working on that. Then we have our printing station and my office station. This is for printing and my labels. As you can see, there's some labels there that I've already got done, and then just the supplies for that and some shipping stuff, and then the bucket for the post office, which I fill my packages up and I put that out there for my post office gal, and then my rack for my laptop so I can put it there and then connect to my printer. And then I have some packaging, more packaging for shipping and stuff. I can see my one shelves there. And then just going back around, just some more stuff here that we have going on. Some stuff on the shelf, which I'll explain here in a little bit. And then you go back into the closet, and we've got just a whole bunch of more stuff there. So there you go. So unfortunately, this part of the video did not take on some of it, so I decided to go ahead and redo it for you. I'm going to step back out. My kitten went in there. So as you can see, it's still a little bit of a mess, but it's getting better organized. It's just time has run. I've run out of time the past couple weeks to get stuff done, and we're just still working on it. So there we go. Almost there. Just a few more buckets. We'll get those out of there pretty quickly and then get the stuff sold, and we're done. So I'm super excited to have my room back. And my room back and more space to work. So there you have it, folks. The cats decided to take off and run. They're chasing each other around the house. Dogs are outside today, so the babies are inside, and they're really active now. We've got one that's ready to go outside and start mousing, so we're going to get him trained up. And then the other one, our little girl, is going to stay in the house. She's not going to go out until she's old enough to get her spayed. We may try and get her to have a litter or two first before we have her fixed. Doing the responsible thing. We have enough cats on the farm now. We don't need any more. So we're going to, my little Lily, whose mom are the two kittens that you saw in the video, she is pregnant again, and we wanted her to go through one more pregnancy, and then we are actually going to get her fixed, and then we may or may not let her outside. We'll see. She's pretty scaredy cat type of a person, so or kitten, so we'll let her stay in because she's not quite a year old yet. But she's ready to have those kittens here in the next 2 weeks. So we're watching her really closely, trying to keep her calm and relaxed. And so I try and put the dogs outside to run around. And with the 2 puppies in here, she kind of gets a little stressed out. So I put her up on the bed in the other room so she can read down. Not right now. She's playing. I'll see if I can. I'll turn this around and let you see her. So there's one of the kittens, and Mama is on the floor by the wood. There she goes. She's super pregnant. And that one looks like I couldn't tell with the paws. Oh, and there comes Mickey. That's Mickey, our little boy. He's going to be our new mouser. He's our infant mouser. Oh, they're going to come back through. I'll let you see a little bit of their play. They're really super active this morning. They're usually active overnight, and while my husband and I sleep, they're out here in the living room running around when the dogs are sleeping. And so having them up during the day is kind of rare. Let's see if she'll come around. Mickey's just going to get ready to pounce there. My daughter named them Mickey and Minnie, the 2 twins that we had. Well, they're not twins, but Minnie was born first, and then we had another one that we lost. That was Emma, and then we had Mickey. And so we had 4 kittens total. One of them was stillborn, unfortunately, but there he goes. There they go. There's Mickey and Minnie. You can see them both. Mickey is up on the chair, and then Minnie is down here on the floor playing. Or excuse me, Mickey is on the floor playing. Hey, Mickey. Meow, meow. Hey, Mickey. And then that's Minnie over there on the chair with my husband's jeans on there. Sorry about that. He must have switched jeans before he went to work. And then here's little Lily. Here's our pregnant mama. Hey, Lily. Hi, meow, meow. She's getting really big. You can see her. You can see how big she is. Big. There you go. Now you can see how big she's getting. So she's got another week or 2. I don't want to scare her. It's okay, Mickey. It's okay, Lily. Minnie Mouse. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, Minnie Mouse went in there. And then there's Mama and Mickey. So there's Mama and her 2 babies. There she goes. I'll follow her in my kitchen a little bit. You can see. All right, I'm going to let her be. She's a little bit, she's losing fur because she's a little bit overstressed because of the babies and the kittens. And so we're just trying to get her to calm down a little bit and relax. Her fur will come back in as soon as she's done having the kittens. But we're keeping an eye on her. Her fur on her ears looks like she's starting to heal again. So I think she's starting to calm down. She's getting close to having those babies. So anyway, there you go. So a little bit of fun, a little bit of knowledge of what goes around my house. We're busy. There's a lot going on. My husband working with me home. It's kind of nice just to have a relaxing day sometimes, but I don't get that very often. So for the rest of the afternoon, I'm going to relax. My husband's going to take a nap as soon as he gets home because he worked a graveyard last night, and we want him to sleep for a few hours because he does have to go back to work tonight. And then he's off on Thursday, so he and I usually take off and go do something, and we're talking about going fishing, so that's probably what we're going to do. So a little bit of the day in life of what I do. Everybody thinks that when you're retired, you sit around and do nothing all day, and some people do, but I'm somebody who likes to stay active. So if I'm not working in my studio creating new products, I'm on my computer researching, and right now I am trying to get everything put up for my aromatherapy, so the research in that is going on. More not research because it's just more or less finalizing what I want to do with it and where I want to go with it and what products I want to bring out. So we'll have just a little bit of what I'm working on. Actually is I've got my essential oils on their way, so they should be here in the next 2 weeks. As soon as they get here, I will go into production with some soaps and some bath bombs. We're going to have some really cool blends. Some stress-free blends, and then I will also be doing blends of essential oils. So those will be coming out towards Christmas time. It's going to take me a little bit of time to develop those. I have to go back through my school notes, which was 10 years ago, just to kind of refresh my memory and get those blends put back together, because it's been... I've been an aromatherapist for 10 years, so it's been probably 6 years since I've actually practiced. So it's been a few years, and I'm honestly happy to be back doing my aromatherapy and bringing that into my soap products also. And like I said, we are getting rid of the hemp seed oil. I'll still have hemp seed oil products on the site, but I won't be doing... well, my plan is I will have one hemp seed oil soap that will be a 100% oil soap if I can get that to work. And then I will have a... my hemped in soap will be coming back out. I'll be selling the old bars at a bargain at the Yum Farmers Market, so check that out. And then my cannabis soap will be coming back out also in the new bar as soon as we sell those bars out. So we are getting really close to bringing those back out again. I just pulled them for just a little while, just to kind of to see what exactly I wanted to do. So we're still going to have the hemped in scent. It will be there, and the cannabis scent will be there. And then I may do a cannabis and lavender. I'm kind of working on that a little bit. Probably cannabis oil, cannabis with lavender is a really good scent. And then there's a couple more that I'll probably bring out with the hemp seed oil. So I'll still have a small line, but I'm not going to have a whole lot. I'm going to have like 3 or 4 scents that'll be available, and we'll leave it at that. But I will still have the hemp seed oil kind of sort of in. I have a lot of stock. It's just really expensive for me to produce as a full line, so we're going to get rid of that and carry a few. And a lot of my customers just don't want it, so we're going to get rid of the hemp seed oil and go to a regular base. So I'm super excited to bring that too. So happy to have that going on. We're still in the process of getting into the shiplap, and I'm also in the process of getting with a local bed and breakfast. They said they were going to call me. It's been a couple weeks. They still haven't done that, so I'm not quite sure what happened there. But we're in progress. So I cannot wait to bring some new stuff out to you guys and just keep moving forward, basically, in the business. So a lot happening, a lot going on. Today I'm relaxing because it's going to be really hot. We've been in the 90s for the past several days, and I need to break inside and away and just to kind of relax and rejuvenate. And I'm going to go eat myself an artichoke here in just a little bit and get something else to eat because I'm hungry. But there you go. Pretty much a whole bunch of new stuff coming out, a whole bunch of stuff going on, and we're just, hometown down on the farm and just kind of going day by day is what we can do. So thanks everybody for joining me. If you have any questions, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a notification button or hit the notification button, and don't forget to share my videos. There's plenty of places to do that, and if you have a friend that's interested in learning how to soap or wants some information, have them contact me. I'd love to help them out. So there you go. Sorry, my nose is starting to itch, so I'm going to sign off because I'm going to sneeze. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye.